Good afternoon, teacher. I have the opportunity to talk about the justice. And very important all the world have justice because have the control of the land and have the opportunity to realize uh, how the people have a good life and security at the same time. For example, now in El Salvador, the president have a new rule is get all people uh, have a group, illegal group, and the enter, enter in the jail because they do the moral crimes, uh, kill people, uh, have structured criminal, and different situations. And the justice have a three elements. Each company with the ethics, terms, and honesty. Three elements are the justice. United Nations is created in 1945 after the Second War. The was created for help the people, uh, for don't assist the wars or problems of the world, uh, have opportunity to have a good relationship with another country to increment the economy or or help with the situations. For example, the pandemic, um, problem like Africa that with a child. Then here I have the fourth type of the justice, distributive justice, procedural justice, retributive justice, and restorative justice. The distributive justice is considered about the society, how the land lies to the help people and get a well-being the citizens. The procedural justice considered with the when the people uh, do the something like crime with others is considered to try like for like situation and for like a killer or like a violent something like that is a procedural justice. The retributive justice is the moment to uh, see equal the people. For why I say this is because the people demonstrate the innocence and don't have a problem with the society. The last one is restorative justice. This is the type of land of justice is considered when the people have crimes in a jail for uh, because he's don't commit the crime, considered innocent, but another person demonstrate the opposite, and the person uh, paid the crime for the government or the situation, the time on the jail. When he also demonstrates for cleaning himself, have a opportunity to uh, have a good life. This is for me the all talk about justice. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next class.